Alright, so I just dropped off Cindy at the archive at her, it's called Luchu. Essentially imagine a library on steroids. And the taxi just dropped us off. There's the Lotte building, which is like 70 stories tall. This place is insane. Maybe I'll do a tour there sometime. And this is just a tour of my environment. So this is just my walk to the archive. You can see Korean people here. So the interesting thing about this area here is that it's predominantly a Korean area and Japanese business area. So a lot of people who are working here are, of course, expatriates, and you could live a super nice lifestyle here. This neighborhood here is pretty nice because it's a lot quieter, and I like it that's more peaceful. You have these nice ladies just kind of hanging out in the streets. This is my favorite coffee shop in Vietnam because the Wi-Fi is super fast. I've gotten most of my creative work done here. It's called Woodpecker. Check it out. All right, so they're doing some construction. I'm going to make sure I don't die. Order coffee. Chào em, xin cho anh một ly espresso nóng. So here's the menu. I always order espresso. Hot, it's about 28,000 dong, which is like $1.50. Okay. Chào người Tiến. Okay. Em khỏe không? Anh chụp video cho YouTube. And then taking out some money. Em ăn sang chưa? Và xin cho anh nước. Cảm ơn. Trang khỏe không? Học tốt không? Ôi giời ơi. Học đi. Okay, so this is a tour of my favorite coffee shop. So what I like about the place, small details. Woodpecker, cool design for the woodpecker. And the thing I love about Vietnam is there's lots of different floors. So make sure I don't trip on myself. So this is the second story where often I like to do a lot of my work because there's lots of natural light. You can see these floor to ceiling windows. Just lets in all this nice light. It's this beautiful panorama. And also this is the table where this is where I usually do work at. But it's kind of cool because from where I'm sitting down here, essentially I have this beautiful view and all this nice natural light. Once again, you see those ladies there we saw there earlier. I have this nice view. I could people watch, which is nice for street photography. Also, what I like about this view is all the trees here in Hanoi. Just very romantic and beautiful. Some random cute decorations. Another area back here. Sometimes I work on the third floor, which is where a lot of young students come here afterwards to make out and stuff. It's actually pretty hilarious. So here it's kind of like a quieter study room. It's really nice that sometimes I sit here and look out at all the trees. We got like random books and stuff here to read. And last but not least, they have the fourth floor. Oops. Oh, anh làm việc ở đây. Okay, come on in. Check out my spro. And this is the 4th floor, which is pretty awesome. As you can see, they have all this nice, beautiful natural light here. See a view of this Lotte Tower again. Once again, you see all these trees. I've been really into nature lately. And this is actually very interesting. I learned about this Soviet style housing. They look like Lego bricks, and they're kind of like little bird cages where it was built during the post-war period to quickly give people social housing, but they essentially look like little bird cages, but they're kind of cool. I like looking at them. All right, gonna go downstairs to get my coffee. Nice bro. That's good. Let's see how it tastes. Pretty good. Not as good as it usually is, but well, I just do this for the caffeine anyways. All right. Hit Roy. No more left. All right. Gonna go back down to the bottom floor and do some work. So one thing I love about coffee shops in Vietnam too, the Wi-Fi here is hella fast, which means I can upload this YouTube video probably in about, let's say the file's like 200 megabytes. I can upload the video in probably like a minute and a half. So the reason I think I've been ridiculously productive is the fact that the Wi-Fi is not throttling me. I know in the States, like I go to Starbucks, take me like 20 hours to upload one video. It's ridiculous. Especially when I'm uploading images or blogging, I don't like to be throttled by internet speed, so Vietnam's awesome. I'm gonna work down here. This feels more chill. And this is usually my spot. Like this little menu here. But explains espresso, makes a macchiato, cappuccino, Americano, but best is espresso, all killer, no filler. Got my big ass bottle of water. Sitting down. Nice little tatami mats. Plugging my laptop there. This is my little view. Alright, ready to do some work. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace out.